Ladies and gentlemen, today on 25th of May, I took a sell trade on VIX 25 index, and as you can see, it is a real account. Now let me tell you this one thing, the goal of Forex trading is to grow a bank account and not a trading account, so always make sure to make those withdrawals. I had to make this clear to you since most of the unsuccessful traders out there like to slander other traders who are doing well by leaving harsh comments on my videos and other good traders videos too. I tend to call it ego problema. If you want to learn all the factors that made me take this trade, then please stay on this video as I will explain from A to Z, from entry conferences to expected take profit targets. Before we proceed with the trading analysis, this video is sponsored by Trader Central, which offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot currency exchanging, and liquidity services. So as usual, before deciding to take any trade in any pair, it is just a normal and a must-do thing to always know the current trend of the market. I tend to use the 4-hour time frame to do that. As you can observe on the 4-hour time frame, this arrow points to the downside direction, implying that Volatility 25 index is on a downtrend. And what do we do on a downtrend market? Pretty simple, we are to look for sells only. Knowing this, we are to go to the lower time frame in search of sell entries only and nothing else. We won't try to be those smart guys who try to outsmart the market by taking buy trades, lying to themselves that they are trading pullbacks and whatsoever. So on the 1-hour time frame, I'm sure you can observe that we had this downward impassive leg forming. So all that I had to do was to sit patiently, just like a lion hunting for prey, and see the price making a pullback to this level and make a weak rejection for I to conclude that this was a valid entry position to enter. As simple as that. Now you may wonder why so many people still not succeed in Forex trading, although the rules for trading are pretty simple. Well, if you want to have a one-to-one mentorship with me, where I will be coaching you personally each day for a period of 1 month, or a signal group where I will be sharing all of my trades, then please feel free to reach me out through my WhatsApp number that it is found in the description below. So for the case of take profit targets, my rule is very simple. On major zones of support or resistance, that's where I set my profit targets. In case the market crosses my orders and the price breaks through that zone and continue to go on my direction, I don't get greedy, as I know the market is full of opportunities, and Forex trading is a numbers game. Not forget, it is a mind game too, so I have and you have to play it wisely. Don't get greedy.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video with me, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much once again for watching, and bye bye.